بزح يسمعني بزح يحسب بولد يحسب بزح يحسب أبز حجز أبز عمت شهور عندي جيرة كسافة تصفى أي سمعنا بتحت علمه ولا بسهان تصفى زبالة سيها جانس نبعلي تماهيرة نبعلي كوينة نولد حق سكايفة بل أبوك مهارك أبني أبني أفلا ويعادي ويقول خيس لزخل كم ملص أكون مالس عيد عسنك اتحد ناصريك أبزه رئيس حاني عيد عسنك نافوت الحمد زدت عسي بالله أبز ولدي يبلين قالي بيني الشيء أبز هجس أنا ولدي بيبلو أبزي أودت أتيوم معي كيس محفوظ خنا نكاكوني حما كون سمعني في اللايف ما بحتي أبزي بالله.
Some of them have tried to cross back to Eritrea again by themselves, but they're usually caught by the security. We don't believe that will be easier for them to go back to Eritrea at this moment. So the easiest thing is just to keep them on the reality, but try to give them a way like they can adapt this place, not for full time, but at least while they're here, enjoy it, be busy, and not forget that they're children. So. They would say, okay, no one is here, we are here, our mother is suffering, our elder brother is not here, our father is a soldier, so why don't we just cross the border, go and see what we can find out. And what they find out here is, okay, it could be better, you can feed them, you can shelter them, but you cannot give them a family. So most of them would regret that they've crossed the border.